Antalya, Turkey, is a captivating destination that offers a perfect blend of ancient history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. And the best part, you can experience all of this on a budget. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will embark on a journey to how to spend 5 days in Antalya, Turkey. Traveling Antalya on a budget. With careful planning and insider tips, you can make the most of your 5-day trip to Antalya, Turkey, without breaking the bank. At the end of this video, we will provide you a budget-friendly guide, so stay tuned till the end. Antalya, located on Turkey's stunning Mediterranean coast, is a city that offers a perfect blend of history, natural beauty, and affordable travel options. Whether you're a budget traveler or simply looking to make the most of your money, Antalya has plenty to offer. From transportation and accommodation to sightseeing and dining, we've got you covered. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about getting to Antalya. The city is easily accessible by air, with Antalya Airport serving as a major hub for domestic and international flights. Once you arrive at the airport, you can take advantage of the affordable light rail system, which will take you directly to Antalya's Old Town for just 40 cents USD. This is a great option for budget-conscious travelers looking to save on transportation costs. One of the highlights of Antalya is its enchanting old town, known as Kaleiçi. This historic neighborhood is a treasure trove of ancient ruins, narrow streets, and charming Ottoman-era buildings. Take a stroll through the winding streets of Kaleiçi and soak in the rich history and vibrant atmosphere. Start your exploration at Hadrian's Gate, an iconic Roman-era archway that marks the entrance to the old town. As you wander through the narrow streets, you'll come across historical landmarks such as Yevli Minare Mosque, Saat Kulesi, a clock tower, and Kesik Minare Broken Minaret. These architectural gems offer a glimpse into Antalya's fascinating past. Kickstart your adventure by visiting the remarkable Aspendos Ancient Theater, located just 40 kilometers east of Antalya, in Aspendos Antik Tiyatrosu. This well-preserved theater, built in AD 155, boasts a stone-step auditorium that can accommodate up to 7,000 people. Marvel at the intricate carvings and ancient Greek-style columns that adorn the theater's stage. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the theater's exceptional acoustic design from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., where even the faintest sound can be heard throughout the auditorium. If you visit during June and July, you might even catch a concert or performance. The ticket price is 42 new Turkish lira. In the afternoon, head to the Antalya Museum, situated on the city's beautiful seaside, to immerse yourself in the region's ancient history. This museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts and historical materials from various periods, including the ancient Roman and Ottoman Empire eras. Admire the meticulously carved statues of ancient Greek gods, such as Zeus and Athena. Explore the exhibits showcasing the stunning relief art of the sarcophagi of Demicius and Heracles. The museum provides a fascinating insight into Antalya's rich cultural heritage. The opening hours are 9 a.m. 6 p.m. and the ticket prices are 45 new Turkish lira. End your day with a relaxing evening. Visit the Lifeco Antalya Wellbeing Detox Center in Lara. This beach hotel offers a range of amenities, including a heated indoor pool and an outdoor pool. Indulge in a soothing massage at the Balinese-style outdoor massage pavilions surrounded by a lush garden. The hotel also features a fitness center and a tennis court. Enjoy a delectable meal at the on-site restaurant, where you can savor both local Turkish dishes and international cuisine. On your day 2, head to the Antalya Aquarium, one of the largest modern tourist centers in the city. This aquarium offers a fascinating journey through the underwater world of the Mediterranean. Walk through the world's longest underwater tunnel, spanning 131 meters, and marvel at the diverse marine species. From sharks to colorful fish, you'll encounter a wide range of underwater creatures. The museum also features intriguing exhibits, including a full-scale propeller plane and models of submarines and sea ships. The visiting days are Monday to Thursday, and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The ticket prices are 93 new Turkish lira. For a day of exploration, unwind at IC Hotels Airport, conveniently located just 600 meters from Antalya Airport. This hotel offers comfortable air-conditioned rooms with amenities such as satellite TV and private balconies. Take a dip in the hotel's heated indoor pool or outdoor pool, or indulge in a refreshing drink at the Last Call bar. Enjoy a delicious meal at the on-site restaurant, featuring local Turkish cuisine and international dishes. Antalya offers an efficient and affordable public transportation system, making it easy to get around the city on a budget. Buses, trams, and dolmus, a shared taxi, are the main modes of transport. Buses are a cost-effective option, with fares starting at just 40 cents USD per ride. The tram system connects the city center to Kaleiçi Beach and Antalya Museum, providing convenient access to popular tourist destinations. For a more immersive experience, consider renting a bike to explore Antalya at your own pace. The city has a well-developed cycling infrastructure, making it safe and enjoyable to navigate the streets on two wheels. On day 3, immerse yourself in the beauty of Antalya. Spend the day exploring the enchanting city of Antalya. Known for its stunning coastal views and historical architecture, this Mediterranean gem offers a plethora of attractions and experiences. Stroll along the coconut tree-lined boulevards and immerse yourself in the picturesque Kaleiçi area, with its ancient wooden houses and ancient castles. Visit the famous Hadrian's Gate, a monumental entrance to the old city, and explore the Roman seaport. Don't miss the opportunity to witness a breathtaking sunset and visit the nearby waterfalls. After a day of exploration, relax and unwind at Antalya Hotel, an adults-only hotel. This hotel offers a tranquil environment for travelers seeking a peaceful retreat. The comfortable rooms are equipped with satellite flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms. Take advantage of the hotel's on-site bar and enjoy a refreshing drink. With its convenient location, the hotel provides easy access to nearby attractions, such as Sefa Hamam Antalya Kaleiçi and Excalibur Silver. Day 4 begins with cultural immersion and natural wonders. Begin your day at the Sunayanan Kurak Kaleiçi Museum, located in the heart of the Kaleiçi district. This museum showcases the reconstructed Antalya Mansion, a beautiful and grand building. Admire the life-size models depicting important religious ceremonies and events in traditional Ottoman life. Don't miss the Turkish pottery exhibit, which features artifacts found in the nearby Church of St. George. The opening hours for visiting are Monday to Friday, and on Sunday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ticket prices up to 2 new Turkish lira. In the afternoon, venture to Guluk Dagi National Park, located in the northwest of Antalya. This park offers a picturesque setting for hiking enthusiasts, with its deep canyons and diverse wildlife, including white goats, fawns, and eagles. Explore the park's botanical and animal museum, which showcases the region's flora and fauna. If you're driving, take the back route starting on Kaleiçi near Amanta's rock tomb for a quicker but winding mountain road journey. The park remains open for the whole week. The ticket prices are €4. After a day of exploration, retreat to NG Faisali's Bay for a relaxing evening. This hotel, situated just a few steps from the seafront, offers a private beach area and outdoor pool with water slides. The comfortable rooms feature modern amenities, including satellite flat-screen TVs and minibars. Enjoy buffet breakfast and a variety of delicious dishes at the on-site restaurant. Take a leisurely walk along the beach, or indulge in various activities offered at the mini club. On day 5, head to Antalya Beach. No trip to Antalya would be complete without a visit to its beautiful beaches. While some beaches may charge an entrance fee, you can take advantage of the city's affordable public transportation system to reach the free beaches in Kaleiçi and Lara. Kaleiçi Beach, in particular, is a popular choice with its stunning views and clear turquoise waters. Spend your days soaking up the sun, swimming in the Mediterranean, or simply relaxing on the sandy shores. Don't forget to pack a picnic and enjoy a beachside lunch while taking in the picturesque surroundings. Embark on a cultural journey by visiting Side Museum, a small museum that houses a diverse collection of artifacts. Delve into the history of Side as you explore the museum's exhibits, which include dilapidated statues and a unique exhibition hall. Gain insights into the history of Turkey and the West through the museum's artifacts. The visiting hours are 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. for whole week, with ticket prices 10 new Turkish lira. Wrap up your day by retreating to Guden Pearl, a cozy hotel located in Antalya. This hotel offers comfortable rooms with amenities such as satellite flat-screen TVs and private bathrooms. Take advantage of the hotel's barbecue facilities and enjoy a delicious meal. Relax in the hotel's peaceful surroundings, surrounded by a lush garden. Antalya's natural beauty extends beyond its beaches and historic sites. The city is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and outdoor activities, perfect for budget-conscious travelers who love adventure. Take a day trip to Duden Waterfalls, located just outside the city. These stunning waterfalls cascade directly into the ocean, providing a picturesque backdrop for your day trip. Entrance to the park is free, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of nature without any additional costs. For those seeking more active pursuits, head to the nearby Taurus Mountains for hiking and trekking opportunities. Explore the scenic trails, discover hidden caves, and soak in the panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. These outdoor adventures offer a budget-friendly way to experience Antalya's natural wonders. Don't forget to embrace the Mediterranean Sea and Kaleiçi. Spend the day immersing yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Mediterranean Sea and exploring the historic Kaleiçi district. Enjoy the stunning coastal views as you take a leisurely stroll along the boulevards lined with coconut trees. Explore the charming alleys and ancient wooden houses in Kaleiçi. Visit the famous Hadrian's Gate, a symbol of the city's rich history. Don't forget to capture the picturesque sunset and visit the nearby waterfalls. End your day at Accra Hotel, a modern hotel located in Antalya. This hotel offers comfortable rooms with private bathrooms. Take advantage of the hotel's on-site facilities, including an outdoor pool and various sports options. Enjoy a delicious meal at the hotel's restaurant, which offers a range of culinary delights. Embark on a day trip to the mesmerizing Kaleiçi, also known as the Abandoned Village. Take a dolmus or drive to Kaleiçi and explore the village's remarkable ruins. Visit the Panagia Piagetisa Church, also known as the Lower Church, with its beautifully vaulted ceilings and frescoes. Discover the 19th century Taxiarchis Church, or the Upper Church, adorned with a stunning mosaic made from white and black stones. Explore the old school building and wander through the village's empty homes and chapels. Head to the picturesque town of Kas, known for its natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Explore the town's charming streets and enjoy the stunning coastal views. Take a leisurely walk along the harbor and immerse yourself in the local culture. Indulge in delicious local cuisine at one of the town's many restaurants. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the nearby historical sites and enjoy a picnic with breathtaking views. End your day in Kas by retreating to Leonis Hotel Kas, a cozy hotel offering a peaceful atmosphere. Unwind in the comfortable rooms, equipped with modern amenities such as minibars and LED televisions. Take a leisurely walk through the garden or enjoy a refreshing drink at the on-site bar. Here is some additional information. Antalya comes alive at night, offering a vibrant and diverse nightlife scene. While some clubs and bars may have higher entrance fees, you can still enjoy the city's nightlife on a budget. Head to Bar Street in the Old Town, where you'll find a variety of affordable bars and clubs offering live music, DJ sets, and entertainment. If you're looking for a more relaxed evening, grab a drink and enjoy the sunset at one of the many rooftop bars in the city. These establishments offer stunning views of Antalya's skyline and are a great place to unwind after a day of exploring. Exploring Antalya on a budget doesn't mean compromising on delicious food. The city is home to numerous affordable eateries where you can savor traditional Turkish cuisine without breaking the bank. Start your day with a traditional Turkish breakfast, which often includes simit, a Turkish bagel, cheese, olives, and tea. You can find these breakfast options at local cafes and street vendors for as little as 20 cents USD. For lunch, try the Turkish version of pizza known as pide, topped with flavorful ground beef. This tasty dish can be enjoyed for around $1.50 USD. In the evening, treat yourself to a variety of affordable dinner options, ranging from light durum wraps with fries to traditional Adana kebabs or grilled calamari. With prices starting at around $2 USD, you can experience the diverse flavors of Turkish cuisine without breaking your budget. No trip to Antalya would be complete without some shopping. The city is home to a variety of shopping destinations, ranging from vibrant bazaars to modern malls. Explore the narrow streets of Kaleiçi and browse through the local boutiques and souvenir shops where you can find unique handmade crafts, traditional textiles, and authentic Turkish spices. If you're looking for a more modern shopping experience, visit one of Antalya's malls, such as Terracity, 5M Migros, Ozdilik, or Depot Outlet Center. These malls offer a wide range of international and local brands, as well as food courts and entertainment options. Whether you're looking for souvenirs or fashionable clothing, Antalya has something to suit every taste and budget. While Antalya is generally a safe city for tourists, it's always important to take precautions and stay vigilant. Like any popular tourist destination, be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. It's also a good idea to carry a copy of your passport and important documents and leave the originals in a safe place. Make sure to have travel insurance that covers any medical emergencies or unexpected incidents during your trip. Finally, Antalya's tap water is not suitable for drinking. stick to bottled water, which is widely available and reasonably priced. Antalya offers a wealth of experiences for budget-conscious travelers, from exploring the historic old town and ancient ruins to enjoying the beautiful beaches and indulging in delicious Turkish cuisine. There's something for everyone in this vibrant city. With affordable accommodation options, convenient public transportation, and a variety of budget-friendly activities, you can make the most of your trip to Antalya without breaking the bank. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Antalya, Turkey's hidden gem. Say goodbye to the beautiful city of Antalya as you depart from Turkey. Reflect on the incredible experiences and memories you've made during your 5-day adventure. We hope this itinerary has provided you with an unforgettable journey through the wild, rural, and breathtakingly beautiful landscapes of Antalya, Turkey. In conclusion, a 5-day trip to Antalya allows you to explore and immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage and experience its breathtaking natural beauty. By following this comprehensive travel guide and budget, you can make the most of your time in Antalya and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the land of the rising sun. Say goodbye to the beautiful land of Antalya as you depart from Turkey. Reflect on the incredible experiences and memories you've made during your 5-day adventure. We hope this itinerary has provided you with an unforgettable journey through the breathtakingly beautiful landscapes of Antalya, Turkey. If you are as jazzed as we are, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for our next exciting adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep making memories. Happy travels. Travel to